Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn how to find the maximum value from a list of numbers. Why do we need to find the maximum? Imagine you're playing a video game with your friends. You guys have to decide who has the highest score, who collected the most coins. Computers need to find the biggest thing all the time. For example, in games, sports, money, and more. Finding the maximum helps us discover winners, best results, or biggest values. In this case, we have a list of scores. We have scores equals 100, 700, we have 200, and 500. What is the highest score? We look at the scores, and 700 is the highest score. How does the computer find the highest score? We start with the first number as the highest score. We can use the variable current high equals scores 0. We then pick up scores 1, which equals 700, and we compare. Is 700 greater than 100? Which is true. So current high would now equal 700. Then we pick up scores 2, which equals 500. We compare. Is 500 greater than 700? False. So nothing happens. Then we pick up scores 3, which equals 200. We compare. Is 200 greater than 500? Sorry, 700? Which is false. So we do nothing. At the end, the highest score is 700. Let's jump into a code for this. We can do scores equals 100, 700, 500, and 200. But first, we define current high, which equals scores 0. Then we do the list. Scores equals 100, 700, 500, and 200. Now let's hop into the for loop. For score in scores, if score is greater than current high equals score. Then at the end, we can print the highest score is current high. How this code works is first, it does the process we mentioned above, and then the final result is 700. But now, how can we edit the code to find the minimum? Remember, we used the greater sign to create the finding the maximum, so we can use the minimum sign to find the lowest score. Let's jump into the code for this. We can do the exact same thing as above, except with current low and a less sign. So we do current low equals score 0, and then we do another for loop. For score in scores, if score greater than current, less than current low equals score. And at the end, we print the lowest score is current low. And this code will give us the lowest score, which is 100. That's it for today. Thank you. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. Thank you.